1 foot of gap. Raise your arms up and heels touching the wall. Come up on your toes. Stay absolutely on your toes. Stay, stretch. Heels are off the ground. Back of the head, shoulders on the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and come back. Relax. 2 feet of distance. 2 feet of distance. Feet parallel to each other. Arms at the shoulder level. And slide your arms or half of slide them. Stay. Watch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. Slide back to the normal position. Change other side. Stay. 2, 3. Ensure that your hips, your shoulders are on the wall. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. Further apart. Almost 3.5 to 4 feet of distance. Arms at the shoulder level. Open your right foot out. Left foot in. Now extend. Just slide. Now those who want can use the blocks behind. Okay? Keep it behind if you want. Yes. Arms at the shoulder level. Slide. Keep the legs straight and bring your palm on the block or on the floor. Ensure that your left shoulder is on the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very gently come back. Turn your right foot in, left foot out. Slide, extend, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and come back. Alright. Now you can keep your palm either on the block or on the floor. Okay? Your right leg is in front and you lift your left leg up. Bring it on the wall. You are absolutely safe because you have the back support. Challenge by with the wall. Uthao. Lift your other leg also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. 8 and come back. Change other side. Other side. Slowly go down. You can keep the palm on the floor or on the block. And how? Stay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep the legs straight. And 8. Come back. Vasishthasana with the wall. We do it without the wall support usually. So this time I want you to be with the wall. We are in plank position. Absolutely with the wall. Turn your feet and stick yourself to the wall. अगर किसी को लगता है आर्म स्ट्रेंथ कम है, you bring your जो पैर ऊपर है उसको आगे लो. ठीक है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come back. Other side, everybody. Get into plank position. Get into plank position. Turn your body. Come on your left palm. Support of the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and come back. Relax into Shashankasana.